Here's the digicue Blue app. I'm going to do a brief explanation and show you all the screenshots. I currently have numerous stats within my log. So first we'll go to history. And here you can see on June 24th and the 23rd, I was testing it out. I'll show you when it's all clear. You can see that it's in green, so we'll select this one. And here you can see all the stats for the particular session, and I'll click on each one. So under finish, you can see the way it displays. It gives you a very descriptive explanation of each particular log that it will record for you. Now this one's for straightness. You can freeze the screen if you want, just hit pause and then you can read it all. Tip steer to the left. It does tip steer to the right as well. My follow through. And here was my jab. Then also you could do backstroke pause, which I have set to off, and shot interval, which you can see I have set to off also. Now if you look at the top, you can see where it says mode beginner. That's where I recommend you start off. Now let's go to one where you see it in red where it says 3 defaults. Now if you look on the mode, you see I have this as advanced. Advanced is much more critical to the tolerance that it will keep track of. So if you're the slightest bit off, it will definitely show on these screens when you choose the advanced setting. And there are numerous settings. You have beginner, intermediate, advanced, then there's even a custom mode. So again, you can see my straightness here. You'll see an example, and again you hit it, tells you exactly what it is. So it's extremely detailed. Let's pick one on June 23rd. You can see here I was off on my straightness. My back pause, which under advanced, it keeps track of the back pause, so I had to turn that one on. So you will be very impressed. I mean, again, all the details here to help you understand what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong in regards to your stroke. Let's go into stats. And here's your fault charts. So let's say straightness. It can show it within the last hour, the last day, week, month, year, and total stats. So I'll go within the last month. And you can see a graph chart here. And it has all the details. Again, I'll click the back button. And let's go to follow through. And again, it's just, trying to show you the app itself, how it logs everything. Let's go to settings. And here's all my different options within settings. And if I go back to shooting, this was where you would actually go ahead and sync up your digicue Blue with the app itself. So if I had my digicue Blue right here, it would actually have another some more text below this, the bottom of this screen I should say, that would tell you to go ahead and power up the digicue Blue so it could connect. So again, so you got shooting, you got history, it'll keep a full log, and you could clear the log out whenever you want. My stats, and my stats is going to have everything. Finish, finesse, straightness, tip steer left, tip steer right, follow through, jab, backstroke, and shot interval. And then settings. So it's a very, very simple app. I'm going to go back to, and there you can see the main screen. So again, shooting, history, stats, settings. Is your history. I'll pick another one. And you can see on that particular day, it'll log the date, the time, the mode. This was in advanced. Your stats and your settings. So again, very simple. It's a free download, and obviously you're going to need it when you go ahead and you purchase your digicue Blue. So I hope you enjoyed this short video.